Hello guys, in this video I will talk about the substitutive taxes, in Italian called imposta sostitutiva, of 26% and 12.5%. These particular taxes, they substitute the RPF progressive taxation only for certain kind of income. And once an income is subject to these taxes, you won't be even taken into account in your tax file return. So, the substitutive tax of 26% is applicable on dividends of any kind, which means this tax is applicable on domestic dividends and foreign dividends. The second case are interests from bank accounts or financial institutions deposits. That means that if you have a deposit and you are getting some interests, then you will be subject of this 26%. The capital gains are always subject to 26% tax. And there are only two exceptions. The first exception is when you sell your property after 5 years. In that case, you don't pay this 26%, but this will be tax-free. And the second case, it's when you are dealing with foreign legal currency and is tax-free below a certain deposit threshold. And here I made a video when you don't pay any taxes in Italy, in which I explain exactly this case. This 26% substitutive tax is also applicable for P2P lending among privates and P2P lending among privates but using Italian lending platform. But be careful, because if you're not using the Italian lending platform and you're using a foreign one, then you're not subject to this 26% flat tax, but you will be subject to RPF. This means that this interest that you're gaining from abroad and from a foreign platform will be added to your existing income, Italian income. So then you have to evaluate if it's really convenient to you invest as an Italian fiscal resident with a foreign lending platform, because you might be close to this 43% rate rather than 23%, so it depends on your cases. And here let's check when we will be subject to 12.5% substitutive tax. So the first case is when you invest in Italian government bonds. So do you trust Italian state? Okay, they will give you only 12.5% taxes. But you can also invest on foreign bonds. There's only one exception on that, is the blacklist country. But for the rest of the countries, you can invest on them, and if you're an Italian fiscal resident, you will be subject only on this 12.5%. And the last, it's Italian postal bonds, called in Italian buoni fruttevoli postali. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel in order to be always updated with the latest Italian fiscal regulations. If you are interested in the international fiscal matter, have a look at my blog www.ESENtaxa.com, or if you have any doubts, drop an email at ESENtaxa@gmail.com, or please just write a comment below.